outlet. 'Cause it's a Velcro furniture outlet. 'Cause it's a Velcro furniture outlet. 'Cause it's a Velcro furniture outlet.
90 days ago, when my brother Bruce and I opened the doors to Velcro Furniture Outlet, my friends Terry and Chris thought we were crazy. But we knew we're onto something huge. We've been in sticky situations before, if you know what I mean.
That's right. So Nedris and I went into full force.
Oh, stop it.
Anyways, we're here to please you, the customer. So when you're out looking for the best possible quality furniture, look no deeper than the Velcro Furniture Outlet store.
That's right. Customers are our fetish, so the pleasure is always yours.
The Velcro furniture isn't free, but smiles and hugs are.
There's a place where you can go to find supplies for your Velcro. Davenport's built just for you. Well, it's a Velcro furniture outlet. Well, it's a Velcro furniture outlet.
Conveniently located between TJ's Pawn Shop and Pueblito's Pleasure Palace.